think this is perfectly warm. Okay. Okay, Gary. Gary, it's time to clean paws.
Okay, Gary.
Gary, it's time to clean paws. I know. Okay, babies. He's not into it. Okay, babies. Okay. The water might be a little too deep. Don't drink it.
Don't drink.
Oh no, he's like completely submerged. It's like a real bath now. Sorry, Gary. We're just cleaning you off. Maybe he needed to be. Oh no. Don't drink.
Don't drink the.
Gary, no.
Gary, don't drink the bath water.
Okay. Here you go. Stay still for just.
Oh, he's drinking it.
Make it stop. I need to pull up my sleeves.
Gary, you can't be drinking the soapy water. Silly.
Gary, no drinking.
Gary, no drinking soapy water.
Oh, nice and clean. Oh, nice and clean. Oh, nice and clean. Oh, good boy. Good boy, Gary. How skinny he is. Okay, now we're gonna, let's see.
Don't let him drink it.
I'm not. This can't be too hot though. It has to be like perfectly warm. Okay. So, no, that might be too hot. Can you help me adjust it real quick?
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at him in the mirror.
He's just a tiny bit.
I know.
Lift him up a bit.
You want to see in there?
Oh.
Oh, hello. Who's that? Is that you? And you're like, too much. This is too much, parents. Thank you. Almost done. Wow. Very nice. Very good boy. Wow. We need a towel. Okay, that's the towel. Hold on, let me squeeze out the hairs. He is such a good boy. He doesn't even cry. Oh, good boy. Do we get all the soaps out?
I think all the soaps are out. Oh boy.
Just a little bit more.
You will not see the end of this day. I will have my revenge.
Sorry, Gary. It's for the best. Squeeze all the water out. Good boy. I know. Good boy, you've done amazing. You're the lightest little creature in the whole world. Okay.
Okay, bundle him in like a little burrito.
Okay, burrito boy. Watch him just pee all over himself all over again. Okay. There you go, burrito. Is he not the cutest thing you've ever seen?
Hello, little burrito.
Say hi to Daddy. You say hi, Daddy. Daddy's like, I don't want your ugly mom in the frame. Hello. Hello. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Hello. Do you love your dinosaur friend? Do you? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You're very cute. You're very cute. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're the best boy in the world. You feeling playful? You have a nice long nap. You're feeling pretty playful. Yeah. Oh, boo boo. Look at those teeth. Hello. Hello, cutie. Hello. Hello. Na 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 na. Good boy. Yes, you're very good. You're very cute. Wow. Good boy. The baby.